then we will be driving to Pearson International Domestic Airport. Anyway, okay, well she's gonna live with that.
Murphy. How y'all doing?
3 hours and 15 minutes. She be chilling like a rhino at 6:21.
Where I will run to my bed so I can sleep for several days.
And I will be there asking if she's going to move back to Australia and if she could take me with her. She's also going to the place I haven't been to in 4 years and I'm so upset. I'm so happy for her. So happy.
I feel the joy. Hot damn. Double the price. Oh my gosh.
Oh God.
Here, because I saved the thing, so it says 1800.
Take me to Australian place with you and also my really cool sister Zion and we'll hide away and stow
He
away.
looks so upset. This is toxic love. This is a red flag. Murphy, come to mommy. Murphy. Why you gotta be? Hey. We are going shopping today, and why are we going shopping? Because Keely is a dingus. Because I have to get stuff for Australia. Yes, I gotta get all my travel stuff today, and Zion's helping me, and then we're gonna go get the lashes lifted from the heavens, and then get some waxing, and then we will be done. Oh, and we're gonna get Chick-fil-A because we never get Chick-fil-A. You're pumped, you're ready, you're fire, yes, get more fire, more energy, Never mind. That looks so messed up. Pretzels. With a roaring fire. Hey! We are here. We are gonna go get waxed. My moustache is going! Yay. A scary place. No, it's just here, I think. It's level 2. Come and say. And then, oh yeah, 212. So we're looking for 216. Right? No, just underarm and then lift. I got so much to pack! Hi everyone, today I am finally doing my packing for my Australia trip. I leave Wednesday, which is in 4 days, and I'm only now packing. It's gonna be opposite seasons over there, so it's gonna be like summer, autumn, whereas it's like winter, spring here in Canada, so I'm a little unsure of what I want to pack. But I think I'm gonna have to pack lots of singlets and t-shirts and maybe some shorts. It's just very weird. I'm literally hopping off the plane in Brisbane and it's 30 degrees. I have a lot to pack. Let's get to it. Starting off, I have to decide what I'm actually wearing and bringing. I don't really have summer clothes. I have a lot of like jeans and long sleeve shirts, but I don't have like, and hoodies, but I don't have like, and jumpers, but I don't really have like summer clothes. It's been a while. Even though Canada gets the summer, it's been a while. I may have also had a breakdown last night while booking my other flights in Australia, but I'm feeling good, I'm feeling better today, so we just gotta pack. This is just, I got a ticket off my list, so let's go. You know when you just don't know like where to start? I have my bag over there, I have all my clothes dumped on my bed, and I just don't know where to start. I'm so glad I'm not doing this the night before. This is my bag. It is currently empty after several hours of just sitting on my bed doing nothing. So it's currently Saturday, March 9, and Wednesday I leave for Brisbane. So we have 4 days and I'm working for 3 of them. So I need to get this done and stop procrastinating. So we saw something on TikTok and we may have just found an incredible hack. Whether it works is yet to be discovered. Okay, so this is my biggest suitcase, the blue suitcase. And then this black one is just like another like medium-sized one. It fits in my bag. So if I can do this on the way home, I could take this out and then check in another bag. For like groceries or like just like Australian snacks or like clothes I buy over there or whatever, I could just check in another bag and I would only have to pay for the bag one way and I wouldn't have to buy a bag too while I'm over there. So is it genius? Don't know. Can I also fit everything in that little suitcase within my bigger suitcase? I don't know, but we're gonna try it out. This is what we're packing. This is the situation. May have to cull. Good morning. Today it is, so it's actually the next day. Literally just could not finish it yesterday, so it's still not finished. It's still half filled and my room is a mess. But it's a new day. I have some time today. I'm gonna finish hopefully packing and then do any last minute packing on Wednesday before I leave. I'm just gonna go head to church and then I'll be back. Okay, I just got back from church. Now it is time to finish packing. I feel motivated. Let's go. Like those mini travel bottles.
Get blue, it's aesthetically pleasing for you.
They're green. That's green.
We have that, that's all.
They're pink.
One pink?
Pink.
How many do you need?
I was just like, should I get sunscreen? But then I realized the Australian sun's so much hotter, so I'm gonna need more than this.
Kid sunscreen.
SPF 50, I'm gonna need like SPF 2000. And I need some wipes. Oh, actually, there's Lysol. Wait, which one?
The decision of the century.
15 wipes. 20 wipes. More expensive, but more cheaper. Why don't we get both?
Go math.
I can't decide, so I just pick both. Disinfectant, right? Oh, it's hot in here.
She's taken off the coat. It's getting serious.
She's about to get down. These are not going to be enough. I feel like I need down under. She pretty. Pretty. Walmart is stepping up their game. Okay, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Don't drive on the opposite side of the road. We're not in Australia yet. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Good. Very good. Yes. Murphy? Murphy?
He's looking at me like, don't you leave me.
You grumpy boy.